Welcome to this creator workflow tutorial. Today I want to show how quickly you can build custom apps with Now Assist for Creator workflows. Now Assist for Creator is the Gen AI tool from ServiceNow to support low-code developers in building solutions on the platform. I have here an instance up and running which has the latest Xanadu release on it and the latest Gen AI Now Assist plugins installed. Here on the top right corner, we see the Now Assist button. When we click it, a little chat box opens where we can have a conversation with Now Assist. We can also pin this bar to the top, to the right, and then we can just have normal natural language conversations with Now Assist. This is available throughout the platform, not only for, let's say, Now Assist for Creator. When we click here on Create App, Now Assist will ask us to let it know what the purpose of the solution we want to build is. Now, we prepared a little text here. We want to build an office plant babysitter request app, meaning that when somebody goes on vacation, they can put in a request that somebody takes care of their office plant. So let's see what Now Assist makes out of our idea. Okay, this sounds like a great idea. To get started, could you tell me what information we should be capturing for each plant babysitter request? Yes. Of course, let's say when somebody creates such a request, certain type of information should be gathered. What I now put in here is we want to have the plant type, we want to have the watering schedule, light preferences, maybe some special instructions, start and end date of the babysitting period, and also plant owner, location, and the preferred babysitter, right? So we provide all of that information just like that to Now Assist. It assesses the information and asks another question. Will the person who is going to babysit the plant need to update the status of the plant or mark the job as complete? Yeah, that sounds good. So everybody is up to date. So we see Now Assist comes here with some really important good questions to help us build this app. What statuses should be available for the babysitter to select from? New, work in progress, and complete should be the different statuses. And then it tells us, okay, it will create a table for it and asks us also if we want to have a record producer created as part of this. And a record producer is a simple form where a user can create a request, and I think it's a good idea to also have a record producer created as part of this solution. Next question is, what fields should be included on the plant sitter baby request record producer? And here I will just say all the fields mentioned above. So all the fields we put in should also be show up on the record producer. All right. So now Now Assist gives us a summary, like an app name, an overview what it does, which users, a plant owner, and a babysitter, the key features, what kind of user interfaces are being created. We could now make additional changes here, or we say, okay, this is great, let's get started with this. And then we can click on Create App. And then in a short amount of time, Now Assist will create this solution. All right, fast forward, maybe 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Now Assist is finished with creating the solution. We see one table has been created, 2 user roles, 1 record producer. We see all the names of the roles and tables being created. And then we can also click on the link right here, and it will open App Engine Studio. We see now the table is here. We have an experience created, a record producer, two different roles. The only thing we don't have created yet is the logic and automation. So this is something which not yet happens with this text to app solution. But also for that, there is a solution which I will show in just a little bit. But before that, I would like to open the record producer which has been created. And we also can preview that one to see, okay, what did AI actually create? And here we see which type of plant you wanted to request care for. So we have three different choices here. Then the watering schedule, another choice selection, same for the light preferences, and then maybe some special instructions. And here AI just gave us a free text field. We also ask for start and end date, and AI detected basically, okay, this probably needs to be a date field, and automatically put in two dates fields here for the start and the end date of the babysitting period, let's say. And then also we have a field for the owner of the plant, and here automatically Now Assist built a reference to the user table, where then, let's say, a user can be selected. I think probably we have to put a nice filter on here, but it's already quite remarkable that the right references are already put in place by Now Assist. Yeah? And then the desk location in this case is just for now a free text field. Another user selection here on the preferred babysitter. And then, okay, it also put a status field on here. But we can see that it's already doing a lot of our work. This would cost us a lot more time if we would just do it all manually ourselves. This app is not finished yet, of course. It needs some refinement, but it's a great basis to start from. And now if I leave this preview screen, I could say, okay, if I, for example, look at the watering schedule here, I could say, okay, actually, if I now look at this, we have here now the choices daily, twice a week. Maybe we also just need another selection once a week. We click on save, and then just like that, we added another choice to this field. So that way we then would just, let's say, finalize the solution. One thing I want to show also is that because we don't, as I said, we don't have, let's say, the automation yet created. There is a new workflow studio also on the ServiceNow platform since Xanadu, which basically combines the designer for playbooks and flows, decision tables, some integrations also into one studio. And here we can also create a playbook to automate, let's say, the babysitting request. So we click here on create new playbook. Okay, to create the new playbook, we just have to give it a name here, plant request. We put in a prompt, some directions for Now Assist, create a playbook which is triggered when a new office plant babysitter request is created, send an email to the plant owner, send another email to the preferred babysitter, ask the preferred babysitter for approval. When this approval is given, inform the plant owner and set the status of the request to complete. When we then generate the preview, just takes a couple of seconds. And here we see a playbook created. So this is how the request is then automated. So send an email to plant owner, another email to the preferred babysitter, approval here, change of the status. And what we then also could do is we change the directions, the prompt here for Now Assist, and generate a new preview. And then last but not least, we can just save and edit this playbook. And then let's say Gen AI, the Now Assist, hands over to us as a user, and we can start using here Workflow Studio to manually finalize this playbook and see if everything works as expected. All right, I hope you liked this short tutorial video, which showed you how you can quickly build a custom app with Now Assist, the latest Gen AI features in ServiceNow. If you have any questions about this and or would like to see more of these type of videos, please just reach out to us, and we can talk about Now Assist for Creator and how it can help you to build solutions on the platform. Thank you for watching.